Hi, my name is Rohit Sharma, and today we're gonna present the project about the unit fundamentals of project management. And the project is about project plan for Brunswick Brew coffee specialistic coffee shop launch. And we're gonna present this project here. And in this project, we're gonna present these outlines. And in first slide, here is presentations outline. Then we present project overview. Then we're gonna present work breakdown, structure, estimation of time and cost, everything. So, so I'm gonna start with first slide, project overview. So in this project, we see there is a cafe concept that develop a specialty cafe with 65 seats located on Sydney Road, Brunswick. The cafe will serve high quality coffee, offering a unique experience to coffee lovers in a growing market. So, market opportunity we can see in this coffee market. So, in Melbourne's coffee market is the Melbourne coffee market is valued at $1.64 billion with a 5.73% project growth rate. So, the cafe is strategically positioned to capitalize on this growing demand for specialty coffee in the regions. Melbourne has a great coffee demand. Melbourne has a great coffee culture as well. So the project timeline, we have a 16-week project timeline starting, which starts in March, uh, March 2025 and March 2025, and which is going to be open for June 30, 2025. Key milestones include design finalization, construction, equipment installation, staff training, and marketing rollout as well. So investment we need in this market, the total investment is $180, 180 $100, which includes commercial grade equipment like we need coffee machines, kitchen equipment as well, regulatory compliances, permits, licenses, safety regulations. So contingency for permit delays, uh, unexpected issues, or some permit delays also happen sometimes. So we need to keep in mind as well. So success KPIs, 150 daily customer in 3 months. So for successful KPIs, we need 150 daily customers in 3 months with 4.5 plus Google ratings and 15,000 weekly, 1,000 weekly revenue we have target. So we need to achieve 1,500 weekly revenue with 2,142 per day to ensure profitability. So the next slide is about work breakdown structure. Uh, so you can see here investment and KPI at a glance. So we can see simple graphing chart which shows investment breakdown, commercial grade equipment, permits, KPI icons, everything in this like market research and analysis, WorkSafe Victoria compliances, architectural plans and heritage approvals, flooring and wall finishes, setting area construction. So here everything is there. Planning and legal phase. The first phase we have planning and legal phase. Then here design and fit out phase. Then equipment system phase. Then staffing and launch phase as well. So the next slide is about estimation of time and cost, which is really a mandatory thing which we need to keep in mind. So in council permit, it may be take 3 to 6 weeks. For fit out, it should be 4 to 6 weeks. For equipment installations like copy machines and other equipment, so it should be taking 1 to 2 weeks. Recruitment and training, it also takes 2 to 3 weeks to train the staff. And total budget we need $180,000, which split into 85K, which we need to fit out. Then 45K, it may be cost with equipment, coffee machines, and other things like other things, coffee glasses, cups, everything. And 8,000 we need permits and legal things to open a cafe. And 12K we need we're gonna do in stock marketing, and 30K for working capital. So equipment procurement requires 6 to 8 weeks lead time. So this is also a thing which we need to keep in mind, which necessitating early ordering towards schedule slippage. So this thing is also great. We need to think about that as well. So 10% of contingency fund 18 which is 1800 addresses inflation, heritage constraints, and regulatory delays in Melbourne's market. The next slide is about Gantt chart. So in this chart is about uh, our activities uh, from week 1 to week 16. So basically, this chart is a visual project which the use of this chart is management tool that use a horizontal bar chart to represent tasks and their corresponding timelines. So as we can see, the market research and analysis which we need to do in week 1. So business registration and legal we're gonna do in week 2. Council permits and application we gonna do in week 3. Insurance and financial steps in week from week 1 to week 4. So week 1 to week 3. Architecture plans and design we are going to do in week 4 from week 4 to week 5. Construction and fit out works from week 5 to week 9. Electrical and plumbing in week 8 and 9. So these are the things. Hostnet power upgrade in 9 to 10. Copy equipment installation 10 to 11. POI system and technology in 11 to 12. Furniture and signing in week 12 to 13. Annual internet connection in 13 to 14. Staff recruitment 14 to 15. Marketing campaign launch 15 to 16. And final inspection and approval, which definitely in week 15 and 16. So these are the things. And then Hayes risk assessment. So this chart represent about the risk uh, in scale of severity. So we can see here scale of likelihood. In few things we have very low risk, low. So we divided risk in very low, medium, and high, and very high. So very low, we can see these things. So there are uh, minor design changes, staff recruitment issues. So very low risk is about minor design change. So if we change the design a little bit, then it may be not gonna impact so much. So these are the very low changes, and low changes are weather, construction delays. So these we need to keep in mind. Construction days is also the another thing which is in low risk. And the medium risk is about construction cost and overruns. So yeah, definitely in Australia, construction cost very much. So that's the another thing. Supplier contract issues. Yeah, this is another main issue. The high risk is about equipment failure. If like coffee machine failure and other equipment failed, then it would be seriously impact our business. Economic downturn. So because in every business, we're not going to predict about the economic downturn. So the very high risk is 25 to 25, 20, 15. So these are the risk scale of likelihood. So in conclusion, the project aligns with Melbourne's cafe sector trends and Brunswick demographic demand for premium coffee experiences, structures, and web activities. Risk control includes fixed prices contracts, early permit applications, diversified supply chains, and low stakeholder engagement. Implementation plan position Brunswick. So these are the all things about Australia's uh, about our project. Australia's 1.64 billion coffee market with 5.73 CAGR. So thank you.